Despite his Achilles injury, Jayson Tatum continues to dominate the sneaker scene with Jordan Brand's limited Tatum World Tour Pack. The latest drop, Welcome to St. Louis, pays homage to Tatum's hometown and the St. Louis Cardinals' classic powder blue uniforms, blending light blue, red, and yellow details across the Jordan Tatum 4 and Jordan 11 Low E. Originally launched at select Foot Locker and Nike locations in St. Louis and Boston for $355, this exclusive set sold out quickly, and now, it's finally hitting Nike.com on November 12. As part of the ongoing World Tour collection, the St. Louis edition follows earlier city-inspired drops and precedes the Welcome to London pack, arriving November 16 at Bouncewear London. Don't miss out, this limited release combines hometown pride, basketball heritage, and premium Jordan craftsmanship.